So hey guys, what's going on? I want to talk to you guys about how you can get paid 5 different ways by tapping into the drop shipping industry. As you know, I'm a part of an awesome and amazing company called TLC, Total Life Changes, and we tap into the drop shipping industry here with TLC. So the first way we get paid is retail. So once you get started with TLC, you get your business kit, you get a free website, y'all. So once you get started, that free website is up and running and ready to go. So let's just say you put the link in your bio, and 5 people go click the link in your bio and buy a bottle of NutriBurst or, a bag of CBD. Every time someone clicks the link in your bio, you get $20, y'all. So let me just make this clear. You can get an unlimited $20, okay? So you can do this 5 times a day, 10 times a day, it doesn't matter. You put the link in your bio and 5 people go buy a bottle of NutriBurst or CBD. You just made yourself $100, guys. Not having product on hand, not having product in your house. Once they click the link in your bio, Jack Fallon, who is the CEO of this awesome and amazing company, TLC, he is going to ship the product out to your customer, whoever clicked the link in your bio and bought. So while he's shipping that product out, he's also gonna cut you a check of $20, y'all. So just imagine if you invite 5 people to try this multi-liquid vitamin NutriBurst or try this awesome amazing detox tea, you will get $20 for every single product that they buy. So yes, y'all, I'm talking about unlimited $20. So that is pretty much drop shipping. It's no different than Amazon. When you shop on Amazon and pick whatever product you like, and then the product's gonna be shipped out to you. So that person doesn't have to have inventory on hand, no product at home, or none of that. So that is the first way we get paid here with TLC, is retail, okay? The second way we get paid is called Fast Start Bonus. So you introduce your friend to this bottle of NutriBurst. They want to lose weight, they want to get healthy, and they also want to make some extra money. When you refer them, because just simply referring people, I'm sure you refer people to do a lot of other things. Go watch a movie, go try this restaurant. It is the same concept, okay? Same concept. So you share this bottle of NutriBurst with one of your friends or your family members, and they want to get started making money as well. So when they get started, they're gonna get their business kit. They do the same thing you did, get their business kit and purchase a product. 1 product or 2, it totally depends up to you. You can get the NutriBurst, you can get the detox tea. You just made yourself $40. If they buy 2 products, again, you just made yourself $40 off of helping your friend or your family member get started in their home-based business, y'all. So that's the second way we get paid, by referring people. The third way we get paid here with TLC is called the binary. So when you tap into the binary, you just unlock residual income. Yes, we get residual income here with TLC. So binary pretty much means you get 2 people. So you put 1 person on your left and 1 person on your right, because we build 2 teams here with TLC, and you are not considered binary qualified. So pretty much you just help 2 people get started on a liquid vitamin or get started on a detox tea, okay? And now you are binary qualified, so you just unlock all the other ways we get paid here with TLC, okay? The fourth way we get paid is called check match. So every time you bring somebody in the business and you help them get 2 people, so everything is pretty much repetitive. So you get your 2 people, you help your 2 people get 2 people, you are going to get a 50% check match off of their binary paycheck. So let's say Sally's paycheck was $500. Because you helped Sally get started in the business, Sally is going to get her $500, but Jack Fallon said, because you brought her into the business and introduced her to these products, I'm going to give you $250. 50% check match of what she got. So mind you guys, that is unlimited as well. So you can bring in 10 people a day, 5 people a day, 30 people a day, and help them get their 2 people. So whatever they make in their binary paycheck, you will get 50% of that. So if Sally gets $1,000, because you brought Sally in the business, you are going to get $500. So just to be clear, $500 is not being taken out of Sally's check and given to you, no. $500 is going to be given to you. So she's still going to get her $1,000, but you're also going to get a $500 commission as well, because you brought her in the business, okay? So that is the 4th way we get paid here with TLC. The 5th way we get paid is called lifestyle bonus, guys. Once you reach the level of national director, you will receive a $1,500 check every single month. From Mr. Jack Fallon, because he said, you know what, you are doing an awesome and amazing job growing your business, helping people get started. So here's your reward. Here's $1,500 every single month to do whatever you want to do with it, guys. I don't know about y'all, but that's amazing, awesome and amazing. If you're wondering why my skin is glowing, that's because I use our product, Rejuve, which is superfood face spray. This is a CBD face spray, and I use my immune oil, you guys. We have awesome and amazing products that I love, and I know you guys would love them too. So TLC taps into the drop shipping industry, guys. This is something that anybody can do. If you have a big following on social media, then great, you will do awesome in this industry, in this business. If you don't, once you get started, we have training that will teach you how to grow, promote, and grow your social media and grow yourself. You know what I mean? Because it all starts in here, you know? So if this is something that you feel like you can do, it is only $49.95 to get started. That gets you your free up and running website, your business kit, which comes with business tools, samples of the product, and also you have to get yourself one product. So I recommend the NutriBurst because it's a multi-liquid vitamin. It's really good, and we all need our vitamins. Or it could be the CBD detox tea or the raspberry tea. Is completely up to you, or get both. If you're confident and you want to try both products, go ahead and get you both products, okay? And start your business, guys. This is the perfect time to start your home-based business because we're all home. We ain't got nowhere to go, you know what I mean? So why not learn a new skill during this time, you know, to build yourself up and just to get healthy, you know what I mean? It's always great to learn something new. So if you feel like this is something you can do and you're ready to, you know, rock and roll, you're ready to start your home-based business today, then send me a DM. And let's work. Like I said, once you get started, I'll plug you into the team training and into the team chat. Everyone's gonna welcome you, and we're gonna get this show on the road, guys. So have an awesome and amazing night, and don't forget to stay healthy.